I've ridden RVTD all my life. When we moved to Talent, the nearest bus stop is like a 2-minute walk. We got married, and that's when we purchased our house.
And we had our kids there. All those memories were in that little spot for 17 years.
Everything in that house, all our firsts, everything gone. After 101 days of living in the Girl Scout shelter, we were able to move into our house. We opened presents that night. We said, you know what? Christmas is today.
It's early this year.
Now more than ever, with so many families being displaced, their kids will still be able to come to school to Phoenix and Talent because they'll be able to use public transportation. Having RVTD just a bus stop away from my job, from my school, from my house, allowed me to be able to go to college, get my 3 degrees, and still be a mom.